to the channel Acharya Online.
Please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.
Dear students of class 4, very sweet good morning to you all. I hope you will be fine and your studies will be going on better. During this lockdown period, you have sufficient time to complete your course and preparation. You can do preparation for the examination better. Today I shall give knowledge about who am I. This is your third lesson of English textbook of class 4. First of all, come towards question, word and meaning. What meaning? First word is era, a period of time. Means in Hindi, you protect, keep safe, suraksha. Provide, to give, dena. Extend, more than average, अर्थात औसत से अधिक. Enough, sufficient, पर्याप्त. These are the word meaning. You will remember it. And now we shall start our story. This story, who am I? It asks about the thing that what is that I am helpful to you in every walk of life. You cannot dream of living in modern era without me. Allowed your house with work, provided you daylight light even at night. I move fan and cooler. I run air conditioning plants. I provide cooler air and protect you from extreme heat. I run refrigerator to keep your food fresh for a long time. I protect you from cold. I keep your room warm with room heater. In big cities, I run trains and trams. They carry passengers and goods. Now, I hope that you had already understood that what is who. Here, the story says, I can run or move the fan, the cooler, the light. I can provide you light. I can run your refrigerator. Who can run? Who can move? Who can give the light? It is very easy. Yes, you are knowing that the electricity, power. Then question, who am I? I am electricity and power. There was a time when you wrote letters. Now you use telephone and mobile. They will come to stand still without me. एक समय था जिस समय आप अपने मैसेज को लेटर के द्वारा भेजते थे और उसमें लंबी अवधि लगती थी, लेकिन in this new era, you can talk when you want. Just you will on your mobile and dial the number. You can talk to that person and you can take this news and give your news to that person. Doctors provide you good health. They use X-ray machine to take photograph of internal parts of the body. It can not work without me. Here we know that in medical science, in the area of banking, in the area of medical science, in the area of war, in the area of post office, all these departments depends on electronics item and it moves on by the electricity. Why not? It is the work of X-ray, it is the work of ultrasound, it is the work of to send money quickly, it is the work of to withdraw money from the ATM. All these works on electricity. The number of people is increasing, their need is increasing. जो लोगों की संख्या बढ़ रही है, उनकी आवश्यकताएं बढ़ रही हैं, उनकी चाहतें बढ़ रही हैं, उनकी जरूरतें बढ़ रही हैं. Their demand is fulfilled by industries. I am the source of energy for industries. I run flour mill, crusher and sawmills. These machines have improved the lifestyle of all people. पहले क्या होता था? In ancient time, we cut the big logs by the saw and manual work by the manual work. A person who takes the saw and cut the wood, but it takes more and more time. Crushers, the manual work were doing, peoples were sitting and the hammer were in their hand. They were crushing the stones. They take more and more time. But in this new era, there is a machine crusher. There is a wood cutter, that is saw. Sawmill, in sawmill it is saw. All these moves or runs by electricity. You are familiar with the radio, the television and the cinema. They provide you entertainment. I run all these things. It means all the types of entertainment. Why not? It is TV, mobile, cinema, computer. All these moves by electricity. It means there is a great hand in your entertainment of electricity. I am produced by water. अब ये कहां से उत्पन्न होता है, इसके विषय में बता रहा है कि मैं कैसे मेरी उत्पत्ति होती है. तो आई एम प्रोड्यूस्ड बाय वाटर, ये पानी से उत्पन्न होता है. कोल, विंड मिल, न्यूक्लियर रिएक्टर एंड सनराइज. तो ये 5-6 चीजों से उत्पन्न होता है, जो है पानी, कोल, कोयला, विंड, हवा, विंड मिल, वायु वाला जो पंखी का होता है, वायु पंखी, न्यूक्लियर रिएक्टर जो न्यूक्लियर को रिएक्ट करा के बनाते हैं, और न्यूक्लियर रिएक्टर एंड सनरेज सूर्य की किरणें. आई एम produced enough in India. भारत में मैं बहुत ज्यादा उत्पादित नहीं किया जाता हूं. Use me carefully, never waste me. You have to use me very carefully. You should not destroy me. You should not waste me. Switch off the fan and bulb when you are not in the room. It says you should, if your work has finished in your room and you are going out of the room, then you can switch off fan and bulbs. It will save the wastage of electricity. Not in the room. Save me for your better life. I can change your life. I can change your life. I can bring up changes in your life. I am electricity. Who am I? I am electricity. Now your story has finished and just I shall give knowledge about the question answer. Just a minute, wait. It is your homework. HW, remember word meaning, and read lesson again. Read lesson again. Thank you. Have a nice day.